12,000 pound Dexter trailer axle repair kit with hydraulic drum brake axles. This kit is complete, so you can completely redo one 12,000 pound axle. This kit comes complete with 2 tension rings, 16 5/8 cone nuts, the 10-56 oil seal, the 28682 outer bearings, the 3984 inner bearings, the 12 1/4 by 5 inch hydraulic drum brake assembly, the left hand and the right hand, and 2 of the 12,000 pound hub and drum kits for Dexter 12,000 pound axles. It has the 5/8 studs on it and the 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern. And then you also get 2 of the oil caps, which are the 21-36. Find us online at trailerpartsunlimited.com.